Whoa, good size. Seem to be coming to the shallow and swimming downstream.
Oh, shit.
Oh man, there's a lot of fish that live under the canteen. And as usual, we often feed them some of our breakfast. There's all sorts actually. A lot of tinfoil barbs, snakeheads, giant snakeheads, giant gouramis, hampala barbs, and so on. So food here are fantastic. You always enjoy the cooking. They are very much like home cooked meals. We eat as much as we can and get all the energy to prepare ourselves for plenty of walking, climbing, and fishing in the rivers. Yesterday there were quite a few surprises with the very low water level. The place was really muddy. We didn't even get to where we would normally park our boat, so we were way downstream. We still caught some fish, and today we will check out a different river. So can't only wait to see what surprises it brings. That's the thing about fishing in rivers. You just never know what to expect until you get there. So you just have to make the best of the trip and learn new things, which makes it interesting actually. So here we are at another river. We drove the boat as far upstream as we can. Oh, good. And started walking and fishing. So this part here will be normally all underwater. There's another one coming at the back. Quick. Okay, good. Whoa, good size. Very clear, shallow water. And this is a very open area as well. We don't even have anywhere to hide. They saw us, yeah. So the fish could easily see our movements. They saw us, yeah. And very windy as well in this open area, which makes casting even more challenging. Wow. Seem to be coming to the shallow and swimming downstream. Wow, 3 nice ones. I easily put them at 2, maybe more. See what I mean by difficult to avoid having the fish see us and our movements? It is such a big, wide open area, challenging conditions, strong wind, and the fish always getting spooked. It's coming quick. It's coming real quick. That's a big fish. It's near the rock wall now, heading into the dark water, near that big leaf. Wow, it's real quick. It's moving real quick. Approaching that dead leaf. It's right next to the dead leaf now. It's past the dead leaf. Can't see it now. It's gone to the deep water. There are plenty of fish here, just so difficult to put the fly in without spooking them. Once these Mahseer are spooked, they rarely will eat. Still coming. Getting close. Can you see it? It's in the middle of the river. It's turned left.
Yeah, it's going into the flats. It's swimming away. Cast now, cast now. Okay, it's turning around. It's coming to your fly. Oh, it turned away. Shit. Okay, wait. It's turning around. Oh, it's spooked. Ah, I saw you. Spooked.
So we are still targeting all these cruising fish. Some of them are actually quite decent in size. So this condition is throwing all kind of challenges at us. Very calm, shallow water, and we don't have the element of surprise, Very difficult to be stealthy in an open area like this. As soon as we start casting, they will see us and they will just get spooked.
Wait for them to get near. Then start a slow retrieve and then stop. Oh, they're turning away.
One of the things I enjoy a lot when fishing the jungle is seeing wild animals. This is a civet cat. They call it the Asian Palm Civet. They don't actually belong to cat family. I've seen these guys a couple of times now in the wild, but if they are not in the river or by the riverbank, I don't think we'll see them.
I saw one of those in Tokyo one time.
Ah.
Right downtown.
Downtown.
I think in India they call them toddy cat, and our local name for them is also musang king, as in the durian. And these are the ones that the kopi luwak comes from.
Oh, there's one right in front of you. Like 10 feet in front of you. It probably saw you. Oh. Cast into the pool and strip fast. Oh, there was a follow. Strip fast.
After having no success with the Mahseers at the lower runs, we walked further up and we changed our target to catching hampala barb. Hampala barbs are very hard-hitting, powerful fish. We call them sebarau, and also grasuk in Thai. David has never caught a sebarau, and he really wanted to catch one, so we spotted some and we started fishing this stretch. Generally, we strip really fast when targeting hampala barbs.
Cast to the head of the pool.
Let's refer the hampala barbs as sebarau from here. So sebarau are a very aggressive predator and a very voracious feeder as well. So they usually hunt in groups.
Oh, I saw fish. Yeah. Where the bubbles are?
Fast trips or very fast trips often trigger strikes from sebarau's.
Okay, strip. Yeah. Coming. Strip. Ah. Cast again. They were chasing. Okay, go fast. Yeah. They're coming. Coming. Damn. There's a lot of them in there.
Although we can catch sebarau using dry flies like poppers and gurglers, but those are usually either early in the morning or later in the day, just before dusk.
bunch of them just ran down.
Yeah, forget about those. There are a lot of them there. They were chasing your fly. You just got to get them to eat it. Good, good, good. Strip. Follow. Nope. A bit to the right of where your fly landed just now. Okay, go. Nope, no follow this time. They're still there.
Wet flies like deceivers or streamers are usually more effective overall. You can use floating line depending on how deep is the water we're fishing, and also intermediate and sinking lines as well, again depending on the situation.
What's that? A Mahseer? Wrong fish. So you know where they are.
One thing I want to say about fly fishing for sebarau is that you can never strip fast enough. That's the thing about fly fishing. We are often just slow, when it comes to retrieving the fly. I fish for sebarau a lot with a spinning gear and big cast gear, and we crank really fast. So there's no way you can be stripping too fast. So always strip really, really fast as possibly can.
So stir up some fish. Yeah.
Just love the sound of the jungle. Do you know what's making all those loud, shrieking noise?
A few feet more.
Those are cicadas, or cicadas, however you like to call them.
Yeah, good. Yep. Oh, shit. Coming, still coming. Oh, you took it away from it. Again, same spot. Yeah, good. Strip. Nope. Try the different pools.
If you watch the part 1 video of this trip where we were fishing yesterday, the river looks really quite different from this river. This river is much more rocky compared to the more muddy feature of the one that we fished yesterday. Although basically they are in the same area.
Yeah. Put it on. Yeah. Oh, spooked.
Well done. First sebarau.
First one.
Oh, there's more up there.
Ooh. Release.
Yes.
There he goes. All right. Good teamwork.
Quickly a day can change.
Yeah.
Just flip around.
Yep.
Check out what we found here. A huge python, all coiled up, and it looks like it has something in its stomach.
Huge python.
So once they got a good feed, they will just coil up and stay there for sometimes weeks to digest their prey, and before they move on again.
He's injured.
Yeah.
Is he dead?
Look out!
Oh, shit.
Oh man.
Boy. Oh shit. No boy. He didn't like that. He didn't like that at all.
Thank you guys for watching the video all the way up to here. If you have questions, please leave them in the comment. If you got anything you want to know about Mahseer fishing, the gear that we use and all, just let me know. I'll be happy to make a video about it as well. This is part 2 of the trip. There's 2 more coming. Please subscribe, give me a like in the video, and I'll see you guys again.
Put it underwater. Hey, bring my camera. Let's see.
Move away.
Yeah, remove that. He's gone to his side.
They prefer white leg.
Hey, no paparazzi.
It's the money shot.
My drag is not that loose.
Oh.
He's pulling.
Oh shit, Kaloy!
Sweet Moses.